Salut YouTube. Ça va, ça te dit quoi? Bien ou bien? Venez sur Twitch, YouTube, YangXRezy, vous connaissez déjà. Partie épisode 4, Ball de Dispatch. Dernier épisode, putain, on a viré Sonar, wesh, j'ai trop le seum. Mais bon, ça va. Elle est de travers, ma casquette. Ça va, Invisigirl, du coup, c'est pas fait virer, c'est le sang maintenant. Elle nous kiffe, elle a fait des gratouilles au Doggy Dog à la fin. Mais bon, quand même triste pour Sonar. En plus, il a dit, ouais, Bellec, surveille tes arrières maintenant. Enfin bref, j'espère qu'il va rien nous arriver. Du coup, c'est parti, Dispatch épisode 4. Ok, c'est bon, c'est parti. A game by Haddock Studio. Hey yo! Hey yo! Invisigirl! Ah ouais, non. Chef Twitch! Merde! Merde! Ah! Robertson de Terre! Il joue à quoi? Ah. Ouh. Tout ça, Invisigirl! Merde! Pendant que nous. Merde! Quelle introduction, Dispatch! Si je m'y attendais. Miou! Eh, moi, je veux qu'on devienne pote avec le chat, là. Va la saluer! C'est l'autre, c'est la chauve-souris! Ah.
Oh, that was a great prank. Oh my god. Oh, we pulled the best pranks. You have no idea what a dummy.
She was tight with Sonar. Never understood why. But then again, I don't know a whole lot about demonic shit. Bats are
Ah
bang
ouais,
bang.
ils vont
Like
tous nous
Richie stuff.
casser les couilles
I don't
maintenant.
know what I'm talking about
Alors
anyway.
qu'on
Best
a
thing that I don't
avancé! J'avais fait un discours de
Problem
ouf,
don't
c'est
cut
vous
it
les
one of them,
Phoenix!
Now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
Ah, c'était peut-être une
I don't
erreur.
know. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe we should have given more of a shot.
Nah, they're all soft. That's why I would have cut them all. Starting with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
That one stung a little. Hey,
Méchant.
Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomenon or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
Bah ouais, je crois on va apprendre Aquaboy, hein. Hein?
He looks rough.
Not do that like that, please.
Sorry. Hey, I was watching that. Oh, sorry.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Ouais, je
Well,
crois. Hein.
sometimes it's more
Mais au
about the
final, l'un et
person
l'autre, c'est
than
de
the
la
power.
merde.
Good thing, 'cause it's the
Il va
only
faire quoi,
reason
quoi,
anyone
boy?
gave your sorry ass a job.
All right, it wasn't that funny.
Hein? C'était quoi ces photos là? C'est quoi cet épisode
Protocols
là?
Test 7, pilot ready. We good out there?
You can talk, I can hear you.
Oh, we good. All you, Mecha Man.
Déjà?
System power. Simple locomotion.
Déjà? Wesh, on a vite notre armure.
Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be it.
Ish, ish.
In the super duper heavyweight division.
Mecha
Oh,
Man!
Mecha Man!
C'est moi, wesh! On est de retour! Oh. Oh, ça va.
Oh!
J'ai cru qu'on allait exploser.
Protopulse test 7. Failure.
No worries. We'll get there.
Mais ça va, chef!
Royd, what is all this stuff?
Whole network expect me to process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work, bro.
Pourquoi il regarde...
Did you just give me an up down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right?
Tout le
I should
temps.
really be asking how often.
Hey, come on. I gotta work on this.
All the time, actually.
Bro,
I like to bust after every big bust, you know, and I was pretty successful, so you can imagine.
Sounds like loads of fun.
Une test ou quoi?
you two got one weird energy going on, huh? Can you handle this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Shit, Blazer. Sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh, no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's,
Chef,
it's not mine.
j'ai pas mieux à
By the
faire.
way, they make me wear it, and it's back in a bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's that?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing.
Ok.
Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think? They were making alterations all morning.
Might be a little tight.
Are you trying to say I'm fat?
Far
Il y a
from
un,
it. I'm actually trying to
il y a
subtly
un truc qui
tell you
dépasse,
this.
chef. Pardon, hein. Oh.
All right, for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention than I'm comfortable with.
Magnifique.
I think you look incredible.
Thanks. I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's gonna be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Wesh.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
Like
Ok.
perspective to join the Z team? Chase mentioned it.
Yeah, The only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy.
Eh, moi, je veux
And at the
Aquaboy, ça y est.
moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do.
T'as pas honte de me dire de faire tes corvées, toi? Non, ouais, non. Bro, il est vraiment mal en point.
Hey, Phenomena Man. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson. The blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry for your, your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun.
Bon, fais pas ça,
Absorbing
mon
all
pote.
its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else ever again.
Oh.
Maybe then I would be free of the torment in my soul. Maybe then I could quiet my mind to these.
On a connu ça, mon gars,
thoughts.
aussi. On est tous passés par
I've
là.
been there. Last time I went through a breakup, I drank mezcal till I blacked out. When I came to, I was in a dark void surrounded by the smell of rot, and I was convinced I'd died and turned into a zombie. Turns out I passed out at a urinal and somebody threw me in a dumpster.
Thank you for sharing that. You are sad enough to understand.
Mais oui, mon gars, t'inquiète, c'est normal.
Do you think there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe
Oh.
she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Pense pas, hein.
Look, I don't think there is, but even if there was, wouldn't that just make you feel worse?
I prefer when problems have solutions.
That's the thing, man. Phenomena. Man. Her feelings aren't a problem for you to solve. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
Perhaps the fact that I am not a person is contributing to my confusion.
Yeah, listen, you know what, while we're at it, no more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people.
Mais oui.
Thank you.
Non, en fait, ça a l'air
You've
d'être un
given me
bon
a great
phénomène.
deal to think about.
Anytime. Well, actually, no, not anytime. Just sometimes, occasionally. Barely any.
It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Un.
Well, shit.
Même pas. Bah ouais, le mental est vraiment bas.
Where's the shootout?
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
C'est vrai ça, tu
I
fous
had a
quoi
dream
ici?
last night that we were fucking. Usually I don't remember
D'un
my
coup.
dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
How did I do?
I didn't finish.
Not what I asked. We're talking about me.
Menteuse.
So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been. I could be anywhere.
Ça veut dire quoi ça?
And you chose to be here.
Damn! Aquaboy!
I try not to do that.
Don't worry about it, Waterboy.
Putain, mon gars.
Terms are for shitting after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh! You ruined this for me!
It's. I know. I know.
Ah ouais, non,
I
mon gars.
apologize.
Ah ouais, Aquaboy, c'est dur, hein. C'est vraiment pas ton show, hein. Eh, laisse mon sandwich, toi. Hein.
You're a menace.
C'est reparti. On retourne travailler. Ça m'avait manqué. Une bonne journée de travail. Putain.
Can't believe sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
Quelle connerie, comme tu dis, mon gars.
But he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Non,
Help
moi,
us get
coupé,
this
je suis
stuff
bien
out of the
content de
door.
t'avoir.
Yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Charles. Ah, ok. Et nous, à sortir, c'est des trucs de notre date. Ok, au fait, ce genre de choses, non. Mais on fait pas ça, fils de pute. Bon. Allez.
Out of me way.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy
J'ai
named
entendu beaucoup
Chad.
parler
I
d'un
think he's
certain
trying to
beau
summon
gosse. Je crois
that
que c'est
demon.
invoqué un démon.
Wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested.
Bon, bah.
Graceful, but deadly.
Vas-y, coupé, hein.
I can take a stab at it.
Oh, merde.
I was trying to be funny.
Le gars devant moi est sorti de la route et est tombé dans l'eau. Merde. Easy Girl. Et flambé.
Yeah.
I know a shortcut for this guy's backyard.
Il y a 3 assets dans la zone de danger de l'UCT. Hein? Et les tensions ont dégénéré dans une véritable bagarre. 1, 2, 3.
We needed another backup dancer, so...
Quand elle est assignée à une mission, Prise duplique le héros à sa gauche et place son illusion sur un emplacement vide. Ok.
Coop, can I borrow your mask? I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
See, this is why people think you're a bitch.
You're braver than I thought. Fine. Return it tomorrow morning.
Mais moi je pensais que c'était de la force.
Say less, baby, I got you.
Perturbation. Ça va être quoi ça? Ça va être intelligence, non? Mais comment ça? Mais explique, c'est parler. Eh vas-y, j'ai envie de recommencer. Putain.
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Bah du coup, toi, je t'envoie.
What's it gonna be this time? I love rock climbers. They're handsy.
Okay, fly him to the hospital.
Way ahead of you, Bobert. Driver's shaken, but safe. Bitch.
Un point de combat pour toi, flambé. Flambeau.
On fuego.
C'est quoi la mission là?
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note.
Chercher dans les jeux.
Bomb inside one of them? Can you send someone?
Rentre vite, Invisi Girl.
Where do you need me?
Non. Non mais je recommence, c'est bon, je m'en fous. Je m'en fous. Parlez, je m'en fous. Qui va faire quoi? Eh, j'ai trop loupé là, non, la honte. Ça y est.
Can't believe sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
Ah ouais, moi aussi j'arrive pas à croire.
He may have been a pervert.
Allez, on enchaîne. C'est bon, là je suis fâché.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Alors,
Help us get this stuff out of the door.
aidez-moi à sortir ces trucs de
You
notre
guys do
doctorat.
that kind of stuff, right?
Golem.
I'm ready.
C'est bon.
I've been hearing a lot
Zéro
about some guy
erreur.
named Chad. I think he's trying to
Ah,
summon that
salut,
demon.
Tweez.
Wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested
Okay,
in joining
vas-y.
the cult.
I'll take this one.
Le gars d'un moment est sorti de la route et est tombé dans l'eau.
Going in.
Flambé.
It's not arson if your job tells you to do it.
Il a trois scènes dans l'intention de déjeuner une véritable bagarre. Rétablir la paix au match de foot en utilisant vos poings. Tac. Tac.
Yep, on it. Coop, can I borrow your mask? I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
See, this is why people
71.
think you're a bitch.
Boum.
You're braver than I thought.
Haha, trop simple.
Return
Du
it tomorrow
premier coup.
morning, or I will cut out your tongue.
Say
Tiens,
less,
là.
baby, I got you.
Explique que tu es allergique. 6.
Don't sweat it.
Si c'était beaucoup un peu, non?
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished, dude. We need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Eh chef, tu vas patienter hein.
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
Salut
I love
Twiz,
looking at the
tu veux
beautiful homes
descendre?
in the city and knowing I'll never own one.
Eh les gars,
Guess what?
mais
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
You sound like my first manager. I fired his ass.
This
quel
is
jeu
fake
cache la bombe? Mais j'en
bullshit.
sais rien.
We can't be everywhere at
Man
once.
bomber.
Shit, y'all, I can barely even be in one place.
It's clear that cutting sonar has left us vulnerable. I can't
J'espère.
believe I'm saying this, but Coop has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, well, Kama's a fucking bitch, huh, Robert?
Sept.
Oh, so close. Okay, fly him to the hospital.
Way ahead of you, Bobert.
C'est
Driver
critique.
shaken, but safe. Bitch.
Qu'est-ce qui nous arrive? Pourquoi on est nuls? Oh Twiz, attention. Ah, regardez, il y a... Oula. Miou. Salut Twiz.
Watch me burn.
Oh 85, non, pitié.
Very professional.
Vas-y, vigueur, hein.
Hey, Ray here.
Eh, doucement, qu'est-ce qui se passe aujourd'hui?
Mind coming
Hey
down
Siri,
and
on a une autre
demo?
démolition pour vous. Pourriez venir nous aider? Détruire le vestige de la maison. Comment je suis censé faire ça là, au
Close your
juste?
eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
We needed another backup dancer. Oh.
Prism, have you finished the book I lent you?
Girl, I'm a slow reader, alright? Besides, you promised fairy sex, and so far...
It has to build.
Un de mes profs m'a appelé, il y a bien quelqu'un du SDH qui peut donner cours de jujitsu. Sinon, il y a la défense, les gardes et les saisies par des exercices d'entraînement. Mais Invisigirl, c'est bon.
Hey, it's Rory Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at STN who can teach a jujitsu class.
Fresh as a daisy. Heading straight there. Right after I piss.
Milman Brent n'a pas été vu depuis des jours et le conseil contrôler le domicile, offrir une assistance médicale. Mais on n'a plus que Invisigirl là.
The CEO of Brand Tech, Milman Brandt, hasn't been seen for days, and the board is asking SDN to
Mais
do a wellness check.
frère.
Only Sona was here,
Mais
considering
Tim.
he actually fucking knows who all these assholes are.
Well, he's not, so we're going to have to go check on the assholes ourselves.
You
À
handle this one,
terre.
then. Takes an asshole to know an asshole. I think I'm done here.
You're clocking out
On est
early?
foutu, hein. On va se faire virer.
Tell me if you want, but I'm out.
On va se faire virer.
Ah, shit. Well, better luck next time, right?
Au secours!
He's a mind reader. She has
Les
X-ray
télépathes. Elle a une vision à rayon X. Oh, désolé, c'est le SDH. On a besoin d'aide. Protéger le couple. Envoyer quelqu'un de sociable.
We need help.
J'ai personne.
We've cleared everyone out already, but like
Mais on a eu un appel à
calls
propos
about
du
a
bombe
bomb
dans
in
l'un
one
des
of the
cinémas.
theaters.
Mais chef!
We need backup at the mall. Dozens of youths just started rushing us and looting the shops.
Ok, toi tu y
Yeah,
vas.
I follow. So, just to be clear, no torching the teens.
Chef! J'ai... On recommence! Non mais je m'en fous! C'est bon! Wesh, c'est dur! Pourquoi c'est dur de ouf d'un coup comme ça? On s'échauffe. Allez, c'est bon, c'est parti. Les gars,
Can't believe Sonar's
regardez-moi
gone.
droit dans les yeux. Pas une erreur.
He may have been a pervert, but he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well.
Eh, j'étais trop fort avant, wesh.
Help us get this stuff out of the dorm.
Déménagement.
Yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
You got it, bud.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested.
After cutting Sona, no, you're on your own.
Elle veut pas!
Maybe we send someone in, have them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one.
Need a light?
Prism, have you finished the book I lent you?
Girl, I'm a slow reader, alright? Besides, you promised fairy sex, and so far...
Tu mens. Mais frère, mais c'est... Eh, YouTube, l'épisode il va durer 2 heures, je m'en fous. Je vais réussir bien comme il faut. Ouais, c'est une folie.
Can't believe Sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
Frère, c'est trop dur, c'est trop une dinguerie. Là, il manque vraiment Sonar. Ah, Sonar, ça aurait été incroyable.
Glad as well. Strange.
Help us get
Bon.
this stuff out of the dorm. Yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Bah, pas le choix.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Maybe we send someone in.
Et quand je
have
dis
them
au
pretend
pire
to be
force-toi,
interested in
c'est
joining the cult.
ça et elle a un.
Wanna dance?
Prism, have you finished the book I lent you?
Girl, I'm a slow reader, alright? Besides, you promised fairy sex, and so far...
Voiture tombée d'une falaise. Là, c'est plan B. Tout seul. Tu te débrouilles.
Go! Come on! Like, fuck yeah! Let's
Allez.
do this! But also, you know, like, come on,
Toi.
let's fucking get the move on, guys. Let's be professional about this.
Mais c'est une blague, c'est une blague. Eh, vas-y.
I've seen worse. Probably.
Explique que t'es allergique, frérot. Me fais pas chier.
I'm stacking mad dubs
Ah, tout le monde a
today,
pris de
baby.
l'XP. Dingue. Coupé. Ah, vraiment, vigueur, c'est pas possible. Hein. Bagarre au match de foot. Il y a 3 7 dans la zone de danger et de lucidité et les tensions sont dégénérées une véritable bagarre.
date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
Ok,
You may not.
See,
tout se passe bien.
people think you're a bitch.
Flambé, là tu t'en sors.
You're
Emmène-la en
braver than I
volant.
thought. Fine. Return it tomorrow morning, or I will cut out your tongue.
Say less, baby. I got you.
Ready, set, fire.
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
I'll get it done, baby. Hey, did you get that video I sent you?
Dude, you sent me like 500.
Nostalgiquement, quelqu'un vient de déposer une boîte à jeux.
Oh fuck, I need to see that right now. Swift as the night, sharp as my knife.
We needed another backup dancer, so.
Dans le bon.
We need you to send somebody else. This is
Ah.
too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
You sound like my first manager. I fired his ass.
This is feckin' bullshit. We can't be everywhere at once.
Shit, y'all, I can barely even be in one place.
It's clear that cutting sonar has left us vulnerable. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Coop has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, well, Karma's a fucking bitch, huh, Robert?
Est-ce que t'as réussi? 85, non, c'est... Ah ouais, non, j'allais dire on se fout de ma gueule, là.
Another day saved, or whatever the fuck.
Toi, t'as 600 combats. Allez, prends un peu d'intelligence, petit chef. 3 appels, là, c'est la merde. Là...
Hey, it's Rory Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at SDN who can teach a jujitsu class.
Consider it done.
Vas-y,
Make
flambé,
way,
hein.
bucket.
Force. Au pire, ça, si on loupe, vas-y, c'est pas très grave.
How'd you manage this one?
I don't want to talk about it.
Synergie plus.
The CEO of Brand Tech, Milman Brandt, hasn't been seen for days.
Contrôler et
and
offrir
the
une
board is
assistance
asking SDN
médicale.
to do a wellness check.
Only Sona was here, considering he actually fucking knows who all these assholes are.
Well, he's not, so we're going to have to go check on the assholes ourselves.
You handle this one then. Takes an asshole to know an asshole.
Fresh as a daisy.
Vas-y, courage, hein, mon pote,
clocking
t'es
out
tout
early.
seul, là.
Mate, cut me if you want, but I'm out.
Comment ça? Mais chef! Je t'aime. Oh, flambé, je t'aime. Merci.
I guess you got it done. So,
On fuego.
Ok. Ce serait vraiment... Je vais péter un plomb.
Okay.
Je vais
there's
péter un
potential
plomb.
there. I guess.
Eh, vas-y, ça s'acharne contre moi. J'ai...
He's a mind reader. She has X-ray vision. Together they are the ultimate invasion of privacy.
Oui, quelqu'un
Oh,
de
sorry,
sociable.
is this SDN? We need help.
Oh.
New me? Fucking rocks.
Meuble. Oh.
Why? Helping people is kind of nice. When you get...
J'ai personne.
We need backup at the mall. Dozens of youths just started rushing us and looting the shops.
We've cleared everyone out already, but like someone called us about a bomb in one of the theaters.
Mon gars.
I could burn
C'est
it down.
dur.
You're not better than me, Tree. You know, they just have like a superior
period of hype about them.
Oh, Courpif! Et Courpif, je t'aime aussi!
Almost.
Ok, je m'en occupe. Wesh. Ah, j'ai du temps. Ok, plus qu'un. Un. Ok, je suis trop fort. Je suis trop fort. Eh non, moi je vous ai dit, il y en a des trucs dans mon... C'est pas fini? Ah. Il y en a des trucs dans mon cerveau, hein. Allez, tiens, c'est pour moi. Ok. Ils ont une synergie, Golem et Invisigirl. Flambé, 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 flambé. On va donner quoi? Un petit peu de vigueur. Sois vigoureux, mon gars. « 80%. C'est géré.
Well done.
It's time for Phil's walk. What? No, Phil's my dog.
Vous pouvez le promener au parc. Promenez Phil le chien dans le parc. Phil est étonnamment fort et tire beaucoup. Bah ça va, lui il a des gros bras. Quel cinéma devrions-nous fouiller en premier? De Iman.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain
Standing alive.
use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that
Active la clim
surprising?
pour geler la bombe.
just impressed.
Rampe dans les bouches d'aération.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
Gross. You sound just like her.
You
Rampe,
calling me a
ça va être
heartbreaker?
mobilité. Il est fort en mobilité, non?
Come on, come on,
Ah,
come on.
après.
Shit.
If anyone needs some more hands-on training, I'll be in the gym until the end of the shift.
Allez, prise. « 25 ! Mais on loupe tout, wesh. On loupe tout. Et j'ai même plus de héros là disponibles. Les illusions de duplicate de prise possèdent désormais les stats complètes. Quand une mission est sur le point d'expirer, prise crée une illusion qui maintient la mission pendant quelques secondes. Vas-y, je prends ça. Ça, c'est fort. Dis-moi que t'as réussi à promener un chien. Compif, je t'aime. Franchement, MVP.
First round's on me tonight.
Ok, ça va. Dernière mission, on va être dans le bon. On a réussi à un cadeau de réplique de Mechaman avec toutes ces alertes à la bombe. Évacuer les civils.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
guess what?
You gonna be online tonight?
Ça devrait être bien.
Great. Otherwise, I gotta play with randos.
Merde.
Oh, for real? Just kidding. I know I was in my bag on that one.
Ok, pardon.
And that's
Bon.
lunch. Thank fuck. Ugh,
Pas terrible cette journée, hein.
I'ma drink my spicy water.
Whiz. Wesh, mon chat il a débranché mon casque. Pète un plomb. Bon, 11 réussites, 4 échecs. En vrai, ça va. En vrai, ça va. Et il continue avec ses paniers de fruits. Ça va, Twist, tu t'es pas fait mal.
Still working on that?
Hmm?
Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing.
Putain, ça nous en aura pris du
Awesome.
temps, wesh.
I like them. Hey, I know what's for lunch or dinner. Probably. Now. Sorry, for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the fucking trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa,
what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your dick up and water piss it off. That's not... You...
Eh, Flamèche, il fait un peu trop le malin, là.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen, because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower awayer.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, you're gonna snitch on me?
Avec ta dent, là.
You're just being a soft bitch about it.
Spaghetti.
How am I being a bully? In
Ah, dans la bouche.
Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting it to go straight. That was extra. Sorry.
You're gonna choke on this fucking
Hey, Robert, could you...
spaghetti.
Did you eat my lunch? Why would you do that?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe was really hungry. I mean, look at him.
Really?
Yes.
Well, if you're gonna eat it, I wish more of it got into your mouth. Go get cleaned up, then clean this up, then pick me up a BLT from Johnny's, and we'll call it even.
Ok. Alors.
Okay.
Bon toutou,
That
Flambé.
was... Listen, Robert. Jesus. Anyway, you talk to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Banana Man or Waterboy?
Aquaboy.
These two are my only options.
For now, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomena Man got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know, an actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are. They just have other issues. And Phenomna's an alien, not a person.
Comme. Bien, mon boy.
Let's go with Waterboy. I think he deserves a shot, and he seems shockingly more stable than Phenomena Man at the moment.
I hear ya. I might have him take care of this mess before he starts, but yeah, let's go with it. I'll let him know. He really
Bien, ma
looks up to
boy.
you.
Does he look up to me, or... Wait, does he know I'm Mecha Man?
Yeah, but he said he won't tell anyone.
I guess that's good.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Hey, I leave. It's my clothes. They're waterproof-ish.
Yeah, that's gonna clog.
No. I do this. See?
Ah, didn't realize you had a plan.
Blonde, Miss Blaze. She talked to me. Thanks
Nah,
for picking
t'inquiète
me.
mon gars. Qui d'autre que toi de toute
I'm
façon,
just really
Aquaboy?
just to join you.
Jazzed. The word is jazzed, and we're jazzed to have you too, bud.
Ah.
I'm even reasonably optimistic that you deserve it. See you next shift.
Oh non. Moi j'ai plus envie de faire ça, c'est dur maintenant.
Hey, team. We appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help. More specifically, Waterboy is here to help.
Sup?
Excuse me?
Ain't no way.
He may be new to this, but Robert and I believe he will make a
Sa
great
tête
addition
là.
to the team.
This is bullshit. Good morning, Evie. Hello.
This is a joke, right?
I don't. Wait. Maybe. Is it a joke?
Nope, Waterboy, it's not a joke.
Oh. Cool, Leo.
Bon, Aquaboy, ça va. Chef. Combat 1, vigueur 2, mobilité 2, charisme 1, intelligence 2. Serpillière humide. Inconnu, mais c'est des trucs de ménage. Chef. Aquaboy. 1, 2. Le chef. Aïe 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 mon gars. Force hein. Va falloir s'accrocher mon gars.
Wow, these one-on-ones seem to be really working out. I think I could make this training a regular thing, you know?
Allez une Visigirl.
I work better alone.
Arrêtez l'assassinat. Nous avons des raisons de croire que la vie de Monsieur Van der Steck sera en danger lors d'une réunion. Se mobiliser rapidement pour empêcher l'assassinat, protéger. Toi tu prends ça.
What's it gonna be this time?
Toi tu prends ça. En vrai ça va là.
I love rock climbers. Their hands.
On n'a pas cours de nouveaux clients ce mois-ci, tu pourrais te...
Need something moist?
Allez Aquaboy. Première mission mon gars.
I've got a great opportunity to show the sweeter side of your ex-criminal crew at SDN.
Yeah, I can't believe Sweet Talk went with Emily.
Envoyer un
last
héros
season.
charmant et
Him and
séduisant.
Carla seem perfect for each other.
Putain, mais j'aurais dû envoyer Prism, wesh. Vas-y, on va. On va attendre de voir si Prism elle a pas bientôt fini. Grâce à ces relations, une Visimap peut révéler le nombre d'emplacements et le type de crime de certaines missions avant qu'elles ne se produisent. Si une Visimap est dans l'équipe, les récompenses d'XP sont doublées. 71. Ok, c'est bon.
And another one.
And another one. Bien joué, bien joué. Aquaboy, comment ça s'est passé ta première mission? Dis bien Aquaboy.
That was, unexpected.
C'est comme ça que ça commence. Vas-y, on va lui mettre des trucs en vigueur. Apprenti héros. Envoyer un gros charmant et séduisant. Prism, elle se repose, elle a bientôt fini. C'est bien, quoi, boy, on est fiers de toi.
If you were a civvy, what would your job be?
I feel like working at a gas station would be pretty chill.
I fuck with a pet store.
Yeah, right. You hate pets.
I hate pets with bad attitudes.
What pets have good attitudes?
Snakes. They're just chilling.
That is true.
Perturbation.
Snake is chill.
I don't mind being a janitor, but I always
Faire preuve de
wanted to be
charme.
a hero.
Charme, c'est tchatch, non?
Don't quit your day job, kid.
This is my job. Day job.
Listen, you tried and you suck. It happens. The important thing
Ah,
is
merde.
you suck. And you know this now.
Mais Prism!
Fuck, that's on me.
My bad. Pardon, c'est ma faute.
A hero to put on a show? We need Terrence the Turtle to beat someone up. For team morale.
Ça veut dire quoi, ça? Faut...
Someone need a bait.
Vas-y, on va t'envoyer toi, hein, mon petit gars.
Anyone?
Oh! On a localisé la base des opérations temporaires de l'assassin. C'est parti. À mon tour de jouer. Merde. Putain, j'ai un temps. Droite, droite, bas. Droite, droite, bas. Droite, droite, bas. Droite, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, haut. Droite, droite, bas et gauche, gauche, haut. Droite, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, haut. Gauche, gauche, haut. Droite, droite, bas. Quoi? Pardon?
Okay, for real?
Et qu'est-ce que je suis censé faire là au juste? Ok. Eh, ils m'ont pris au dépourvu là.
Water bitch almost took me out back there.
Is there a return policy on this motherfucker?
Yeah, maybe we
Éliminer les assassins localisés. Identifier l'emplacement de leur chef.
Sorry for the
Plan B.
puddles. It's involuntary.
Ease up, it's his first day.
Gonna be his last day, too.
Well, if he's so awful, show him the ropes.
Cause some things you just can't teach.
Okay, sounds like quitter
Comme
talk
ça.
to me.
You calling us quitters?
Prove me wrong.
Malévola soigne un héros quand il est envoyé en mission avec un. Ok, mais j'ai envoyé couper. Oh là 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 là. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il faut pas voir?
Hello, dispatcher. Would you like to play a little game, perhaps?
J'ai pas envie, chef.
A brain teaser.
Ugh, I hate this asshole. Careful, he's tricky.
His name's Brain Teaser. How tricky can he be?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Have you been paying attention?
I'm on it. No stopping me this time.
Aquaboy s'assigne tout seul quand il n'est pas souvent envoyé. Il gagne plus 1 à la stat la plus haute. Pour cette mission, il peut être enlevé qu'une fois.
Janitor
Vas-y,
coming
hein.
through. I sort of know the ins and outs of
Il y a un
stuff
cadio sur la
like
plage,
this.
il est plutôt
I've
mignon,
been
mais
to
où est
some
sa mère?
dark places.
Capturer le... Il est petit, mais quand même fort. Capturer...
Graceful, but deadly.
Perturbation. Commençons par une question facile. Quel est mon jeu préféré? C'est ça, non, la première bombe?
Sorry, I'm like really
C'était
nervous.
inside, putain, y a personne pour m'aider. Perturbation.
Oh, dang. That's a baby right there. I know what I gotta do. I'm a dad now.
Nouvelle maman. Damn. Ça allait vite. Golem, qu'est-ce qu'on va te mettre? Allez, un petit peu de cerveau. Couper. Bagarre ou pas? Intelligence. Mon assassin, ça doit être malin. Pouh!
Fuck yeah. Get it.
Flambé. Bagarre, hein? Non? Vigueur. Allez, après. Sens un peu intelligent, flambé.
Watch me burn.
Il y a un retraité qui cause des problèmes à Kryptonite. Vous pouvez le faire sortir. Tentez de remonter le moral au retraité par de pâtir en les bouteilles de bière.
Poor guy. I've been there.
Really?
Before I joined the Z team.
Allez, vous deux, allez-y.
He had to borrow one of mine.
Là, on va voir qui? Aquaboy, Coupé, Vigueur, les flambés.
Let's maybe not
Il est temps de déclencher une guerre avec une organisation d'assassinats élite. Commande le chiffre de quitter Torrance, en dernier recours, conclure un accord. Envoyer quelqu'un de A. Qui sait parler. Putain, j'ai personne en talk no jutsu.
Easy enough.
Great, good shift. Shift every.
Dis bien Aquaboy.
Z team.
How about you go back to wiping up spills, janitor?
Excuse me.
91, ça va.
Somebody saw that, right?
Killing it.
Ouais, ça va être toi, notre belle parleuse. Mais qu'avant, c'était la chauve-souris, mais bon. C'est fait virer. C'est quoi ces stats?
And here I thought I was getting rusty.
Bagarre, hein. Préprise, mais c'est parler aussi un peu. Là, je vais lui mettre en mobilité. Comme ça, elle va être un peu plus équilibrée. Une, deux. Bah, à toi, hein. Direct. Ça va, c'était pas une si mauvaise journée que
Not
ça.
only did you cut one of their dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with
An actual good person that wants to be a hero?
I was gonna go with Wet Baby Bitch Boy, but yeah, we can go with yours.
Yeah, let's go with mine.
Hey kid, love you.
Love you too, Ark.
Don't fuck this up.
Mais on allait pas prendre Phénoméman, frère, c'était quel lock? Puis moi, Aquaboy, je l'aime bien, wesh, c'est le sang. Il est gentil. Chiang.
honey.
Il se fout de ma gueule. Il est parti où là? Bah, chef.
Those, they make fun of my issue, my stutter.
Here. Hold the beef. It'll help. I don't think it's a stutter.
What? Can you not? It's happening right currently. This very right now. You can't? I'm concerned.
Je t'attends à l'échec.
The more you expect failure, the more likely it is to happen. I don't think you have a stutter. I think you have a confidence issue. You're worried you're gonna say the wrong thing, so you won't finish a sentence. I'm blowing your mind.
Mettez-le
What are you
pasteur.
afraid of with the C-team?
Mettez-le imam.
Seriously, what's the
Wesh.
worst that could happen?
Non.
I don't know.
J'ai jamais vu un top no
Call
jutsu
me
aussi puissant.
useless. They call me, I don't know. They think I suck.
See? They say that all the time. You worrying about it didn't stop a thing. So fuck them. Fuck me, fuck everybody. From now on, stop caring what anyone else thinks.
T'inquiète, Aqua Boy, on va faire de
Smells
grandes
very
choses
chemically
ensemble.
in here. What you watching?
Typecast 2. You spying on me?
Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert. That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the picker, not the peggy.
Noted. Well, tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
At least 20 minutes of trailers. I always forget what I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That night, feel bad asking
rebel.
people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
Ah! Aurore ou Invisigirl? Aurore ou Invisigirl? Non. Cinéma.
I didn't see the first one. Can you give me a recap?
It's against the law for you to be watching like this.
Actually, it's illegal for you to be filming. I don't need the whole thing, just enough to know what's going on.
Okay. It's about this struggling actor.
Ok. Non, pardon, Aurore, hein, mais... Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Then he realizes her secret, but it turns out he has a secret too, which could ruin. You didn't hear any of that?
Yeah, no. It's probably fine, though.
So, what are we, like, friends now? Or is this some sort of team-building exercise?
On s'en
I
rapproche,
think we're
hein.
getting there, don't you?
I haven't decided yet.
Would have been nice to know before I spent $86.
I'm not gonna fuck you just because you bought me a bucket of corn.
Can you just be normal for like a second?
This is...
Like, you first.
This is nice. What were you gonna say?
Do you like Sour Patch Kids?
I fucking love Sour Patch Kids.
Cool. Me too.
C'est ça, Robert Robertson de Stern. On te regarde de là-haut, les anciens ils te voient. Non, c'est fort. Le football est très fort. On peut s'applaudir, oui. On peut se dire bravo. Bravo Robert Robertson, je te serre la main. Robert Robertson, 3e du nom. Merde. Bon, voyons voir nos choix. 52% des joueurs avaient ajouté Aquaboy. Bah bien sûr, Aquaboy le sang. 64% des joueurs avaient regardé un film avec Invisi Girl 1. Ah, je pensais qu'il y a plus de gens qui auraient préféré Aurore. 62% des joueurs avaient lancé des spaghettis. 77% avaient prévenu Aurore concernant sa robe. Galanterie. 39% des joueurs avaient adopté le bébé Kaiju. 82% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas empêché Casse-Tête de détruire les 3 commerces. Merde. 11% des joueurs n'avaient pas répondu correctement aux 3 questions. Votre héros le plus envoyé était coupé. Vous activez les pouvoirs d'un héros 32 fois. Performant Courpif. Munga, merci. Prochain épisode. Bon, YouTube. On s'arrête là pour le 4e épisode. Ciao, bye bye. Venez sur Twitch. Likez, abonnez-vous, commentez, activez la cloche, tout ça. Vous connaissez déjà. Puis venez, hein, on se retrouve sur Twitch. Venez vous abonner à la chaîne Twitch, c'est mieux. Et ciao, bisous. Oh merde.